Isn't that crazy? Had you called a door company, handyman, anyone, they would have charged you at least $95 to $125 coming out and fixing this. Okay, they might have done it a different way. They might have said they couldn't fix it or they had to do something special. You know, that's all you had to do. And if you can't do it, and if you have a friend who can do it, show them my video. Just say, hey, take a look at this 10-minute video from Joe, however long the video is, and just see all the different steps that he did, and they'll be able to do it. Now, I forgot to tighten up to tap the hinge pins in, so I'm just going to take my hammer and do those, okay? See, I got no marks on the door for that. Now the top one, I have a hard time doing that because it's up kind of high. Now, if I had my stool, I guess I could do that. Maybe I should. Or I just tap on it right there. Okay? It's exactly how I found it. Or you can get up on the stool and get your hammer up high enough and beat down on it. But you have to have control over it because you don't want to miss and gouge your hammer handle or your claw into the wall. Oops. You know? Okay, you just saved yourself at least $100. In fact, you saved yourself more because if you were watching the other video, I showed you how to fix these two towel bar racks and you thought you had to replace these two towel bar racks at 25 bucks, 30 bucks each. You would have to go down to the hardware store and bought those for $60 right there and then reinstalled those. So I saved you some money there because I fixed this whole thing with two little nuts that cost about 35 cents each. Had you not watched that video, I suggest you watch that video on how to repair a towel bar rack, towel bar holder, towel bar, whatever. Okay, and I've got more things to do. What else is on my list? Well, another thing that's on my list, and I'm going to do that next, by the way, is this air conditioner. This air conditioner's been on for quite some time, and it's on a 4-hour timer. It's an intermatic timer, and this is supposed to click off in another hour. Well, it's been stuck in this location for over an hour. This is stuck. The intermatic timer went out. I installed this intermatic timer about, I don't know, 3 years ago. And they don't last forever, and this is in a condo, a rental condo, and people probably cranked on this and turned it, you know, different ways and stuff. And now I've got to go ahead and replace that because I want that to turn off automatically. This is designed, it's only a 4-hour timer. It's designed to throw power from here over to the air conditioner. In 4 hours, it shuts off. If you have it turned on 1 hour, 1 hour it shuts off. Then the owner of the vacation condo rental does not have to pay the electricity for all day when the guest went to the beach and they forgot to turn the air conditioner off, or they left it on all night or something. So that's my next thing. I'm gonna have to find out how to do that in a minute. You want to watch that? Stick around. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.